Welcome back to another Project Pan update. I do not remember what number this is. We're just going to jump right in, and I added a new product. I did add the L'Oreal Voluminous Lash Paradise Mascara. I added this. I can tell that it is on its way out, so why not just finish up using it. The Wet n Wild Cucumber Spray. Literally, there's barely anything left in there. Doing pretty well with the Clean Color Arch Alley Brow Highlighter. I'm only using the matte side, by the way. I don't like the shimmery side, so you can tell the difference. Brand new pencil, how long that is in comparison to how short the matte side is now. Tarte Lip Scrub. This is almost gone. Literally just a nub left. We'll finish that within the next week or so. The Hard Candy Hydrating Primer. The last update was here, and I can feel it all the way down here now. Oh, that's pretty good progress there. The NYX Jumbo Pencil in Milk. It's continuing to get smaller and smaller. This honestly is on its way out pretty soon. It's getting pretty dirty and grimy, but it's a brow gel from Color Workshop. Still pretty short on the Jordana Blackout Eyeliner Pencil, only because I forgot about this pencil. To be honest, it was in the bottom of the bin. So we'll still be working on that. I love that pencil, by the way. The Color Workshop Brow Highlighter. There was our markings from the last update. And obviously you can tell we've used quite a bit of that product up since marking that. The Photo Focus Concealer from Wet n Wild. This is almost done. Even though it looks like a full bottle of product, you can kind of tell by how the sides feel and how much product is coming out of there. It's not a ton. So we're getting pretty low on that. Honestly, the LA Colors Lip Oil is almost on its way out as well. It's getting dirty and grimy because I was using this also with some other products and to remove liquid lipsticks as well. So this literally, there is barely anything left in this thing. Very little. I think I'm doing pretty good at using these products up. LA Colors Pressed Powder and Tan. There was our last marking, and as you can tell where we are now. So after I film this, all the products will have new markings on them, so we can continue to keep track of how we're doing. Honestly, I'm not ready for this to go, but it's gonna have to, and I'm just gonna get a new one. The Milani Eyeshadow Primer is pretty much almost entirely gone. It's just sputtering out the tip now. So a couple more uses and this will be gone. That's our last mark. And there's like nothing left in there. So that's pretty satisfying, having a tube that's flattened. And I'm working on the LA Colors Chunky Lip Pencil. And you know, it looks really ganky. I've used this a lot. There's still quite a bit of product left in here. I want to use it up, but the problem is I'm getting new lipsticks, and every look I do doesn't center around a shade like this. So I'm trying to use it up, but a lot of times when I'm doing makeup and stuff, obviously I'm filming my everyday kind of look, whether it be colorful or whatever. Still working on the Believe Beauty High Drama Fiber Mascara. Still working on this mascara. It's almost done though, just like the L'Oreal one, so we'll just continue on with that. I have a little baggie of products that are on their way completely out. So this kind of had a change in scent. So this is on its way out. Wet n Wild Mega Cushion for your color corrector for under eyes. I actually really love this product. It's a great product. If they still sell it, I do recommend this. But it kind of changed. I am also going to let go of the LA Colors Color Balm. I never reach for this even in the Project Pan. I just prefer, let me show you real quick what I prefer to use on my lips right now. It's the Carmex Daily Care SPF 15 in the Cupcake Batter scent. I love that. Highly recommend. The only place I've ever seen those chapsticks like that is the Dollar General. Unless they're in 3-packs, which I saw them at Walmart like that. I'm done trying to use up the Beauty Treats Lip Care, and this is LA Colors Black Liquid Eyeliner. You can find this $1.50 at the Dollar General. I highly recommend this liquid eyeliner. It's amazing. But as you can tell, it's kind of drying up. It's very difficult to use, and the brush is starting to get kind of wonky because the product is getting wonky in there. So, but very nice eyeliner. So, that is my updated project pan. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Stay tuned to see how long it takes us to finish up these products. Thank you so very much for watching, and don't forget to like the video, comment, subscribe, and ring the bell if you haven't already. Check the description box for additional links, and hope you all are having a blessed day.